So guys, rationalization of surd. Now, whenever we have an expression in this form a over root b, where the surd number is the denominator, we can rationalize this type of question. What we just do is that we are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by this denominator. So that is why to rationalize a over root b, I'm going to multiply a over root b by root b and root b. So a times root b will give you what? A root b over root b times root b will give you what? Root b squared. So therefore, this square root will cancel this square, then it will be equals what? A root b over b. So, but if I have an expression like this, root a plus root b over root a plus root b, and I'm asked, oh God, okay, let me change this question. Let me change this to root a minus root b, this one. So I have this particular expression, and I am asked to rationalize this expression. I am asked to rationalize this expression. So whenever I want to rationalize this type of expression, what am I going to do? I'm also going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. But in this case, I'm going to be multiplying by the conjugate of the denominator. So if I want to rationalize this root a minus root b over root a plus root b, I will just multiply it by root a. What is the conjugate of this denominator? That is root a minus b. So I'll just multiply by root a minus b over root a minus b. Now let's look at some examples for better understanding. The first question here is that rationalize 7 over root 2. I will just write solution. So since I am to rationalize 7 over root 2, that will just be 7 over root 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by this denominator, times root 2 over root 2. So that will be 7 root 2 over, what is root 2 times root 2? That is 2, and this is the final answer. So that's how to do it. Now let's look at another example. Here we are to rationalize 3 plus root 2 over root 5 plus root 3. Also, I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Firstly, guys, what is the conjugate of root 5 plus root 3? That is what? Root 5 minus root 3. So I will just write as 3 plus root 2 over root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus root 3 over root 5 minus root 3. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So I'm going to get this and this. So once I'm here, this expression returns to 3 plus root 2 root 5 minus root 3 over. So I'm going to use the idea of conjugate solving to do this, to solve this. You know, if I'm multiplying this with this, I will just do root 5 times root 5. Guys, what is root 5 times root 5? That is 5. Plus times minus. Root 3 times root 3. That is 3. You get that? So I'll just do like that. So now, once I'm here, the next thing I'm not going to do is that I'm going to simplify the what? The numerator. So if I want to simplify this numerator, I'm going to open a bracket. I will firstly use this 3 to multiply everything here. I will also use this root 2 to multiply everything here. So guys, what is 3 times root 5? That is 3 root 5. What is 3 times minus root 3? That is minus 3 root 3. Now what is plus root 2 times root 5? That is plus root 10, because 2 times 5 is 10. And what is plus root 3 times minus root, plus root 2 times minus root 3? That is minus root 6. All over 2. So guys, look at this point. At the numerator, I am not to do the addition and subtraction. But don't forget that you are only to add or subtract similar surds. For non-similar surd, you can't express them further. So this simply means that since these surds that are here, they are non-similar surd. So therefore, we cannot express this expression further. So our answer will be left as this, but I can also write it as 1 over 2, open bracket, 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3 plus root 10 minus root 6. So this is the final answer, guys. Now, thank you for watching. In our next tutorial video, we are going to be talking about equality of surd and square root of surd. Thank you.